Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the 3D wooden puzzle set. Now, this set actually comes with two separate puzzles. You get a convertible sports car as well as a fighter jet. Now, these are a lot of fun to put together. All the pieces come in flat panels, and you have to punch them out, and then you're going to have all your pieces together with you ready to go. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that some of the pieces take a little finagling. I had to use a pen to punch out some of the finer holes in the pieces, and then I actually had to use the end of a razor blade, or you can use the end of a screwdriver to tap some of the pieces in. But they also give you sandpaper, which you can use to sand down some of the pieces to make a better fit. Now, all in all, it took me about a half an hour to put both of these together. Now, the instructions are minimal, and it has you relying on the box image to put these together. I was able to do it pretty easily. One thing I do want to mention, however, though, in the image of the race car, it shows a flat panel behind the seats. That's not there, so don't start worrying about that when you're putting this together. I had a lot of fun doing this. Kids are going to love it. Model builders are going to love it. And we have a fantastic deal on it. Plus, you're going to save more when you buy more. So head on over to the site and grab one or two sets today.